Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we have created our cute little game, and now it is time to try to export this game out. Okay, so let's see what options that we have. So if I go to the project and click on this export button, you can see I have added the preset for web, and right now it is asking it is asking that I don't have any export template available, and there is one more error message that is getting for the texture compression. So let's click on fix import. So now I need to have a export template installed. Okay, so let's go to the editor, click on manage export templates, and click on download and install, and this should basically download the export template. Guys, so the export template has been installed. Now click on close and let's see if we can export to something or not. So I'm going to click on export. Now all the errors that I was getting is now gone. For now, let's just keep everything at default and let's try to export. And no. So let's click on export project. Yes, we are getting this a web export as HTML, and that's what we are interested in. So let me go ahead and go over to the documents, and let's add a new folder called web build. Okay, hit OK, and let's uncheck export with debug. Let's see, click on save. Let's see how well it gets exported. So let me go ahead and try to see my file system. So this is the web build folder, and guys, actually this has exported the game out. So still you won't be able to run it directly because we need a web server for this one, but that is just amazing to see this. So we actually can export a build. So let's come back. So let's now that the WebGL build is actually getting exported, let's try some other things if we can export them or not. So let me go ahead and delete this preset. Let's go ahead, click add, and let's try to see if we can export Android. So let's see, export project treasurehunt.apk. Let's click here. Let's see, call this Android build. Let's see if we can build this Android thing or not. Project export for platform Android failed. Code signing could not find key store, unable to export. Okay, so let's just try export with debug. Let's see if I can see there is an APK. It's already Android build treasure hunt APK. You can't install this app on your device. Okay, so let's try to export this with the debug. Open with package installer just once. Settings. Let me turn this on. App got installed, and let's try. Guys, I have installed that game onto my phone, and yeah, it's working. So till now we have exported out for Android. It was working. We have exported out for WebGL. It is working. And let's now try to export out for other platform. Let's see if that is supported or not. So let's try Windows. Let's add it desktop runnable, and let me create a folder for this. PC and hit save. Okay, so basically this is not working, and I am pretty sure for iOS it won't work. Let's see. Yeah, of course, for iOS it is not going to work. And let's see if it works for Linux. Let's try to save this, and I think, yeah, it got exported. So let's go ahead. Yes, so for Linux also. So as you can see, we okay. So as you can see, the Android version for the editor works for the Android, Linux, and WebGL. So if you are primarily making a game onto your mobile phone, you can export the build out on these three platforms: Linux, Android, and Web. And for any other platform, you need a PC, either Windows or Mac. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. This was it for this particular series, creating a game on a mobile phone dedicatedly, and I hope you like it. And if yes, then please hit that subscribe button and like this video and the other videos that I have uploaded. It will really encourage me and help me to go move ahead and create more tutorials for you guys. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much for showing your love and support. Thank you so much. See you in some other videos.